Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by creating the note itself. Open Google Keep and tap the plus button to start a new note. Pick note, list, drawing, or voice depending on what you need. Once you have text in place, add a clear title so you can find it later and apply a label and color to group related items. Make sure to enable microphone permission if you use voice input. This gets you past the first step and into organizing from the outset. Next, focus on structure and utility. Pin important notes to keep them at the top and apply labels and colors so similar notes appear together. Once done, enrich the note. Add reminders with date or location, attach images, insert checkboxes for tasks, or invite collaborators to edit. Use the search bar with keywords or labels to quickly pull items. Make sure to sync manually if needed. This preserves changes across devices and keeps shared notes consistent. To finish, tidy your workspace. Archive completed notes to declutter and delete only when you're sure. If something goes wrong, try a manual sync by pulling down the list, then clear the app cache and restart the app. If that fails, sign out and back in or reinstall Google Keep. Those steps usually restore missing notes. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that storage and permissions are enabled. This resolves most sync and visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.